Hey everyone, Tom Parmentier here with MaxHousePrice. I'm here in Gaithersburg, Maryland, about to show you guys a home that we are about finished on. There's a little bit of work left. This was a really quick cosmetic job, but you'll see there's a lot of wow that we brought to this house. We're actually working with a local real estate agent and our home seller who took advantage of our win-win home selling system to help them net more money at sale. So let's come on in, take a look, and let's show you guys what we've done here. So this is a really nice size colonial home on a really great lot. You can see it already has hardwood floors that look great. We're going to be cleaning everything when we're done. But what you'll notice is we've painted throughout the entire house from top to bottom. We've painted all of the walls this color called Revere Pewter. So it's kind of like a beige grayish, so it's really warm, and depending on the light it has a little bit different characteristics, so it's not boring like some of the grays that you may see. If you take a look above right here, we actually put in a new chandelier so that as soon as you come in, you just have some nice fixture as you walk into the entrance of this house. And as we walk in through to the kitchen back here in the back we have really great space. You'll see that we have a kitchen and eat-in area and open to the family room. So again, everything's been painted. We just had granite installed today, so there were Formica countertops before, so we just really wanted to bring this up to those modern finishes that buyers look for. We have a new cooktop coming in, so we had black appliances before, so just with that clean look we're putting in stainless steel appliances. So you're going to have a new cooktop, we're going to have a new dishwasher, and then if you look over to the side here we have the wall oven. So all of this they're actually coming in tomorrow to be done, and the fridge as well. We're actually moving this out to the garage and bringing in a new fridge. So cabinets were already white, so we didn't need to do anything here. We're actually going to be putting in new door hardware. We're going to be putting in some nickel, brushed nickel hardware as well, those single pulls, so it'll look really nice. As we continue on through the house, this fixture was already here. You can see it looks great with the table here, so we didn't change that. But as we walk into the family room here, we did replace the ceiling fan in here to just bring in some new finishes to just kind of match with everything. You'll see new carpet, so we replaced the carpet in here, put a nice 8-pound pad so it feels real comfortable as you're walking through. And you may notice as we're walking through the house that you'll see all of the door hardware, all the knobs and the hinges. These have all been changed to a brushed nickel, so just giving that extra pop to the house. And you'll notice we've painted all the doors as well, so it just gives a nice finish with the white trim, white doors, and then your white ceiling. As we come through over to here, we have a dining room, and didn't need to do much in here, but you can see we have the coordinating light fixture that matches with the dining room, so that you walk in, you have the big chandelier, and you have the same finishes in here. So from the front of the space, you have the same finishes. So you can see we're almost done with the carpet. So we have the pad down, the old carpet was ripped out, new carpet's coming in, and we have new carpet upstairs. If you want to come in upstairs and take a look with us, brand new carpet upstairs, so it just looks nice and clean. Again, this was just a really quick 2-week project for us. You know, get in, get out, not a lot of hassle for the seller. And then the last thing is if you come into this great master bedroom that we have right here, you know, this is a little dated. It works fine, but we're gonna be putting in the same fan that you saw in downstairs. So again, really quick project. It's not about coming up with, you know, a big rehab budget. It's what can we do that's really gonna maximize the sales price in the quickest amount of time possible with the least investment as possible, so that it becomes a win-win for everyone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this tour. And if you have any questions about our win-win home selling system and how you can take advantage of that, feel free to send us a message and we'd be happy to chat. Thanks so much.